Here's the Elliott wave forecast for April 26, 2012. On the Dow 30-day 1-minute chart, looks like we have wave 1, zigzag wave 2, and we're setting up for another third wave. Last time we got a zigzag, we rallied to 0.76 and failed, and then faded in the C wave. But this time I think we could break out and potentially hit 13,289 in the coming week. Maybe wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. The futures gap up, I can probably see a third wave. Again, targeting as high as, maybe as high as 13,500, but we need to test 13,300 to the upside, which is the 52-week high. For S&P, it looks like a possibility that this is an A wave, this is a B wave, this is a double bottom C wave. Double bottom C wave would be a C wave that touches the previous A wave and holds support there and then rallies, which is exactly what happens. So this could be A, B, double bottom C into a reversal into an impulse. And we closed right near or above the top of the B, around 1391. So got within fractions of 1391, which is enough to be set up a new impulse. So basically, if we fall through tomorrow, there could be a move to test resistance at 1422. For NASDAQ, looks like we have A wave, B wave, and then a C wave that has approximately A equals C down to 2944. So we got ABC into an impulse, and I think Apple's earnings may have signaled a turning point in the market, which probably means that we could probably even have like a 6 to 9 month rally like we did. So we saw earlier this year, and I think we corrected in probably potentially a 2 or 3 before 3 or 3. So if we break new highs, Nasdaq new high would be around 3130. If we break new highs, that would set up a third wave, 3 or 3, a big one, potentially. For NDX, we got A, B, and C, and A equals C zigzag down to 2630, and we got A equals C and then rallied on Apple's earnings. Again, Apple pretty much represents the entire technology sector, if not the entire economy. The fastest growth right now is anything involved with Apple. So now that Apple has reported great earnings and pretty much shut up all the doom and gloomers about Apple, the earnings are incredible, and they went up 10% today. Apple went up 10%. Yeah, Apple shot up like ABC zigzag right to my target. And I actually had 500 shares of Apple. I actually, when I averaged the two prices that I sold them at, between 561, around 560 and a quarter, and 617, which I sold it at, I made about $9,500 on 500 shares, on 1,000 shares, excuse me. So I sold at the low and sold at the high. So yeah, I sold like before earnings, and then I kept half, and then I got about 55 points about, yeah, in Apple. So we got a zigzag, and then this right here, this could represent a turning point in the entire market. That's a wrap.